You may have been growing your business well for quite some time, but you get stuck, you get stagnant, something comes out of the woodwork and you don't know why. So today on our Business Mastery Transformation session, we're talking about business life cycles, and a conversation came up with me and a client named David. So Dave is trying to figure out what's going on, why he's not able to grow as fast. And I said there's three things. I call it the Triad of Improvement. There are going to be three things at the end of the day that are stopping you. One, it's your why. Are you motivated? Are you driven? Are you disciplined? Are you fired up? Are you pumped up? Are you doing what you're most passionate about in life? Step one, is it your why? Or is it your what? This is your strategy, your go-to-market game plan. How effective is it? I revealed how when we were growing fast that I was overpaying for certain activities and that was not sustainable moving forward. So I realized, made a mistake. I need to make some adjustments. So that was a strategy issue I had. So there's the why, there's the what, and then there's the how. That's tactics, that's execution, that's implementation. Are you struggling getting her done? Maybe you're a visionary and you've hired an operations person that's constantly putting out fires, making things happen. And now your company's big enough. You're wanting to get certain things executed, but yet your right-hand man or person or gal might be tied up putting out fires all day because you're growing so fast. So it might be getting the team more efficient at executing and implementing basic tactics. Which one is it for you? Is it your why, your motivation, drive, and discipline? Is it your what, your overall strategy? Is your tactics, your how? Let me know on the comments below and I'll see you on the inside.